Look at this truck, y'all. Yenko SC. This is a 1,000 horsepower truck, y'all. Check this thing out. Damn. How does old guy get this fucking truck though? Damn. That is beautiful. And he's showing it up too, the right way. Damn. Twin turbo. God damn it. Look who this is. I see you. I love your truck, man. Can I check it out?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I saw the Yenko on the side. I'm like, no way. He got it out here. Ooh, LT.
LSA blower.
Oh, it's an LSA blower.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Try to keep everything looking like original looking. If you look on
Yeah,
the
yeah.
all the aeromotive stuff over there.
Oh, I see that. This is beautiful, man. I saw that. I had to respect that truck, man.
You know what it means, and Yenko.
I know what it means. Well, the owner of Toyota, he got the Camaro version.
Okay.
He paid $200,000 for it. I know the expensive cars, man.
Chevrolet needs to bring out a Yenko truck.
I know they should.
We made our own version.
There you go. It looks better, man. I like it. Yo, this truck is beautiful. He made a one-of-one Yenko.